One of the greatest benefits of using InterSystems IRIS data platform to build your applications is its multi-model capability. Whether you're looking to migrate your schema, or you need extremely low latency in your applications, you may want to mix your full-stack JSON development with SQL data, or you just know you need different ways to access your data. The multi-model capabilities of InterSystems IRIS let you use different models within the same application and on the same data to ensure you're using the best tool for the job. With InterSystems IRIS, data is stored once and can be accessed via multiple models, including relational access, object access, or even direct access to the underlying data structures. These underlying data structures used in InterSystems IRIS are called globals, and they are the core building blocks that enable data model flexibility. Globals easily support multiple data structures such as trees, associative arrays, graphs, and queues. In fact, they are so powerful and flexible that they are actually at the core of all InterSystems IRIS models. Globals store both object and relational data, as well as the different indices for that data. Because of this multi-model capability, developers never need to duplicate data or create mappings between different representations, as they often have to do with object to relational mappings. InterSystems IRIS's native support for multiple models allows developers to use their data in the most appropriate format for each situation, leading to better performance and lower complexity. This multi-model capability is accessible through a wide range of APIs and languages. Whether it's Java, .NET, Python, Node.js, or InterSystems ObjectScript, you have the freedom to use any language and any data model, all from a single application. Notice that in this Java code, we're using different APIs to work with InterSystems IRIS data as objects, as tables, and as globals. There's no need to build in various components for each. It can all be done from one application, enabling you to build your application quickly and seamlessly. While this sample code is written in Java, equivalent APIs are available in other supported languages as well, giving you the freedom to use the technologies you want to use. Most important applications today need to leverage multiple data models. With InterSystems IRIS, you can. To try this for yourself, select your language below and experience the multi-model capability of InterSystems IRIS.